Hey friends, if you love photography and like to sell your photos and videos online, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon and turn on all the notifications so that you never miss any video guides from the Teaching Doc channel. And here I come. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Arindam and you are watching the Teaching Doc. And today I'll be discussing my stock photography income for the month of January. All right. So, first thing I would like to tell you that the month of January was bad. Okay, it was very bad. I had literally zero income from many agencies. Then that being said, I understand it's a month full of holidays, especially in Indian market. So that is expected. In even in last year, I had better sales in December compared to January, and the prediction is February is going to be worse as per my last year trends. Okay. Anyway, so I will just dive into this thing. I will show you the various sales picture of various agencies, and then I will summarize it for you and I'll give you the exact value. What is my total earning for January? Now, on one side there was zero income in some agencies, but on the other side there was some new agencies from which I got income, and I will calculate this in my January income. So right at the beginning I will start with an agency named Butterstock that actually does not allow them their sales to be revealed, right? You understand what I am talking about. So this is the first thing that I'll be showing you. Over there I had around 103 uh, sales in January, and the total income was 59.24 US dollars. That is Butterstock. Next, iStock. You know, iStock actually tells you the data of December when you are seeing it in 20th January. So I already made a short video. Here you can see I had 76 images downloaded in iStock, and the total value is 51.88 US dollars. Not bad. Next was Adobe Stock. In Adobe Stock in February, I mean February month has just started. All right, so I have this year means 2021 January. So I had 13 downloads and 11.8 US dollars. The value of money per download is not that bad, isn't it? So in Dreams time, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 and 11. 11 is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 downloads, and most of them were 0.38 and few of them were 0.32. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 downloads 0.32 and 7 downloads of the value of 0.38. I have calculated and I'll show you. Next, deposit photos. Deposit photos also I had the same amount of sales, 11 sales. You can see, if you, this is December, so if I'll start from January, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So deposit photos I had 10 sales, and Dreams time I had 11 sales. Now in Dreams time, in deposit photos you can see the value should be this, not this, because there are some tax deductions in some files. So I calculated this net earned after tax deduction, and I have added this in a Excel sheet, right? Next, big stock, nothing special, 6 images, $1.50. Big stock, it's very consistent, all the sales will generate you 0.25 cents, right? See, this is the original value that we got for one sale in Shutterstock as a beginner. Now it's 10 cents. It hurts, isn't it? It hurts me too. Anyway, next, IM. IM was great. Somehow, I don't know how it happened. They had new system in place, new payment system, and I thought many of us are thinking of quitting IM, but I won't suggest you to quit, because in January I had 19 photo sales. I don't know how, but it happened. And 12.49. I reached the payout limit in IM in 1 month, which is unheard of in my last 2.5 years journey, 3 years journey. Anyways, next I also started contributing in Wirestock. As I told you, in Wirestock I had 2 and 1, that is 3, 4, 5 sales, and total earning is 4.75 US dollars. Guys, I know I have got sign up links for all these agencies down in the description. If you have not signed up in any of these agencies, and if you want to help my channel, that is if you want to do two things together, then you can choose to sign up using my referral link. That way I will get some cents when your files are getting sold, and you can help me this way. This may be a return for my free services in YouTube. Anyway, so it's not mandatory, but you can do it if you want. Next, Stockerville.com. Yes, I started contributing in Stockerville. I also made a video about Stockerville, and it's selling consistently in the month of January. You can see this was in December 2012. In January, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 sales, and each sale is getting me $1.2, so it is huge. So 6 sales, $1.2 each. Again, if you have not signed up in Stockerville, I have got the sign up link. If you can sign up with that link, if you want to sign up with that link, you will help my channel. Next, Alami. Sorry to say, you can see 0 sales in 2021. Done. 0, 0, 0, 0. Pixie. Last sale was in 14th December. So 0 sales in Pixie. Done. 0. Nothing. Nil. Nada. Next, 123RF. Not bad. 20 downloads. 6.98 US dollars. Alright. Next, Icon Scout. Nothing. 0. Last sell I had in October. Geez. November, December, no sales. January, as usual, no sales. Next, I will make a separate video about it. Most photos, I think the website is gone. I am contacting with their customer service executive. I am contacting with the website developer, and I am yet to get an answer. But till then, I don't know what will happen to our photos. Is it stolen? In that case, they are legally bound to pay us back. But for now, mostphotos.com is not opening. Maybe they are upgrading their website, anything. It's a high chance they have gone out of business, because other stock agencies are also going down, down and down. Anyways, mostphotos.com, since I cannot see, I'm sure I had 0 sales. So mostphotos.com, 0. Next, canstock.com. Again, last sale I had on 27 November. No sales in December, no sales in January, 0. So you can see so many websites, just 0 sales, and I am sad. Pond5. Interestingly, I had 2 sales in Pond5. One gave me $2.50 and another gave me 1.55 US dollar. Pond5 is the best website for videos. I don't upload stock videos. I work with stock photography only. So I have to accept whatever I am getting. 2 photos, this one. And I think that was it. So here, if I see all this, no, what am I doing? I need to open the Word file. Here I can see, I think this is wrong. Deposit photos is actually 10 files. I'll just be back. I don't think I will edit this part because my baby just woke up and my wife is expecting me to be there in 2 minutes. If I don't finish this video within 2 minutes, I am gone. I am doomed. So here are the total earnings from various agencies, and I have added. The total value comes to be, oh my god, some procession is going and there's so much noise pollution. You know, I live in West Bengal and it's BJP, TMC, all those political parties have got long processions. Anyway, let us ignore them. And 165.33 US dollars, and 12,095 rupee as a total earning. So if you are watching this video till now, that's it. There is nothing much left in this video. But if you want to support my channel, and you need to give a code word that will help me to know that you are watching this video till now. So 1 2 3 4 5, I had 5 0 income from 5 different agencies. So today the code word is 0. Please type 0 in the comment section and I will know that you are watching this video with me. So guys, I will take your leave. Please share this video to your friends, photographers and cousins who love stock photography and who want to sell their photography. And I will see you soon with another video. Till then, bye and take care. Thanks for watching. Shoop.